Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So you've created your YouTube thumbnail and now you want to use it on your web page. So how do you save it? So after creating your thumbnail, all you have to do is go to File, click on Export, Export for, select Web. Okay, I'll wait for it to load. Okay, now all you have to do is select your JPEG or your PNG, anyone you feel like, then make sure it's on the highest, then leave every other thing as it is and click Save As. Say YouTube thumbnail 11, now save it to anything that you like and then hit save. Let me save it on my desktop, then hit save. Then I can now go to my desktop and here is it. You can now open it and you can now use it on your web page, on your YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, so that give this video a thumbs up. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.